Not a lot going on. I'm still behind on the power bill, which I don't even see up there actually. $166.34. I think that's pretty much it so far. We got the holidays coming up. I'm supposed to be off the weekend that I'm supposed to work for Easter and Good Friday. So that's going to hurt a little bit. If they have anybody come in to work, I'll see if I can volunteer to work because I really need to. Otherwise, my projected check for this week plus the end of month's check, this will be the last check of this month. Okay, so what I might wind up doing is waiting till May 1st to enter the house payment online, paid on May 1st, close to 5 o'clock in the evening. It'll be too late for them to draft it out of the account until Thursday, and that will give me the first part of this check to help pay on the power bill. And the only other thing that would need to come out would be City and Mariner. But we'll see how that goes. I also sold three other items on eBay. I'm going to leave some money in there. What I'm thinking about doing though, and I made some videos on this, rather than leaving the money in the PayPal account, I'm going to take most of it or some of it and pay off CitiCard. Use CitiCard as a primary pay method on PayPal. That way the card's not charging me any more interest. And I mean, let's face it, out of that $25 payment, less than 5 or 10 is actually going toward the principal. So the rest of it is pretty much interest. So I would save a lot of interest over the 6 months rather than having the money just sit in a PayPal account. And then if anybody does item not as described or any kind of return where PayPal just takes the money out of your account without warning you about it, it'll just put it back on the card instead of causing me to bounce a lot of checks. Because I don't have $400 or $300 or whatever it is in the checking account at all times. So I think that'd be a better way of doing it. Let me know what you think. Would that be a good way to do it? Would that be how you would do it? Or would you do it a different way? How would you do it? Leave questions and comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Or a thumbs down if you don't like it. Or both. Can you give both? Will it let you do both? Anyway, thanks for watching. This is mid-month, April 2019. What I might wind up having to do is wait until May 1st to enter the power bill. Not the power bill. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is end of, I'm sorry.